And then the ulugbate. Whew! Ay, init. So hot. So hot. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Please watch full the video. Wait, watch the video full. Ulugbate. Ang sarap. Wow. The tomato. Tomato. With the bye. Bye. 1/2 cook. I'm a goat, right? I'm a kambing. So let's taste the sikwa. The sikwa. Sikwa. Let's taste. Ang sarap. Ang init. Ang paso yung dila ko. So delicious, but it's hot. This is the lady finger. Lady finger okra. Init. Init.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. Please stay tuned. I'm cooking for you guys a #1 Bisaya recipe. Veggies lang all.
Hello Philippines and hello world. This is Witty Bonita. Yay! Oh my God, am I a goat? I have so many veggies. I will going to cook #1 recipe in the Bisaya and Mindanao. It's a lauoy. It's a lauoy. Very delicious. It's just a simple dish, but it's I love it so much. So I will going to cook today. This I have in here a lot of tomatoes, shallots, chili of course, ginger, and spring onion, and a lady finger. Nakaluhod ako guys. Mano kasi yung phone ko walang ano. The tomatoes, and the olokbati, very very slippery, and also this slippery. Will slip in your tongue. Hindi akong punitin ko sayang. And beans, long beans, and this one is my favorite. Guys, what's the English of this? The sikwa. I love sikwa. There's a distinct taste. Smell. The smell is very, very aromatic. Love this sikwa, guys. Comments below. What's the English of sikwa? Anyone can tell me, I will give you a word. Sikwa. So I will going to cook today. I should not show my face. But why I show my face? My BFF Social coming here, Ling Oling. So I will prepare her food. It's for the poor people, but I think she will help it. And this is the inulit too. And of course, guys, the ginamos. This is for the partner of the fermented stinky fish. For the partner for the when we eat lunch. Bye, see you later. I don't know if I will video my cooking. No memory in my phone. Welcome to my tiny kitchen. Yay! Now it's boiling na. This is the lauoy. Boiling, and I put already the onion, the chili, and all the ginger. So it will like the smell will very good. So I add now the beans. So that's the longer one to cook. Here we go again. So, and also this okra, lady finger. My God, my kitchen is very tiny. So, I add them, boil them. This is only like a boiled vegetables, but actually it's a favorite of all the Bisaya. Bisaya like me. My God, ang zinc ng ano. This is a tiny kitchen. It's like one, saan ang tawag nila? 1 meter ba? Isang dupa lang. Okay, I will make this quick because I don't have a memory in my phone. So, boil, please. See you later. Yay! Bonita is boiling now because I don't want my veggies overcooked. I want veggies half cooked. That's me. I want half cooked. So now I'm going to put this sikwa. Ay, dilapit. Sorry. Init. Pasok ko. I don't measure anything because I'm not a master chef, right? Chef Harris Pavia and Tasty Factory. I don't measure anything. I just put and like. So it's already there, and I already add some salt. It's salty, my God. I will add some sugar. It's salty. I will add some sugar. So now it's boiling. So I will add this, the spring onion. I want them half cooked, so it's like about like maybe 2 minutes before I turn it. Look, ito, bulog. Ang punito. This is Witty Bonita Tiny Kitchen. Oh my God, hulog na po. This is Witty Bonita Tiny Kitchen. Sinong mag-sponsor ng kitchen dyan? Yung kitchen ko is, my kitchen is small like me. So I will add the tomato mat. I will add the tomato mat. It's so hard to cook when you're holding the phone, right? You only have one hand. 2 hands. So now, I will stir them away. My God, smells so good. The sikwa. There's a distinct taste of this, guys. This is sikwa. Sikwa. All the foreigner, you don't know this? I will taste. I add a little bit of sugar because it's so good. My God, it tastes so good. My God, I will eat a lot of rice in this one. It's so good. Eat. So I will add the ologbate. Oh my God, it's so many. It's so many. It will be very slippery. But slippery. So it's slippery. My God, what happened to this? I should put a little bit of this because it will too much slippery. But for me, it's okay. My BFF coming soon. The fiscal one, the rich. Okay guys, bye. Oh my, the phone is gonna fall down. I have to bend. Ready to go. Hello, this is cooked already. You can see now, it's all still growing. It's still growing because it's half cooked. So let's taste. I don't want vegetables overcooked. I want half cooked. I'm a goat, right? I'm a kambing. So let's taste the sikwa. Let's taste. Ang sarap, pero init. Ang paso yung dila ko. So delicious, but it's hot. This is the lady finger okra. Init. And then the ologbate. Ay, init. So hot. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Please watch the video. Wait, watch the video full. Ologbate. No. The tomato. Tomato. With the Bye. Bye.